Alexa, it's movie time. Tara, hanap tayo ng mga pwede natin magamit sa ating DIY. Kailangan natin ng relay. Itong smart plug. Well, basically, ito yung i-replicate natin pero more on custom ang gagawin natin kaya hindi natin ito kailangan. Itong breadboard. Meron tayong breadboard at relay na pwede natin magamit. Dito naman, meron tayong USB cable dito. Pwede natin magamit sa Arduino. At dito, heto, meron tayo ditong Arduino. Meron pang dalawang Arduino. Itong Arduino, ito yung gagamitin natin para makontrol yung switch ng screen. Also jumper, kailangan din natin, pati LED lights. So meron na tayong breadboard, relay, Arduino, at jumper wire, at USB cable. And of course, bago natin hook sa screen controller, isi-set up muna natin sa breadboard yung Arduino at LED lights just to make sure the code is doing what it's supposed to do. Upload muna natin yung program na ginawa ko para sa Arduino natin. Alright, eto na. 5 legs connected to 5 pins and set up ko na kay Alexa yung mga device. So basically, if we just test this out, they turn on the pins. Meron up and down switch na madaling pindutin pero i-hijack natin yung mga buttons para i-hook at makontrol natin gamit ang Arduino. So kapag turn on natin, it will make the screen go down. And if we turn off, the screen will go up. Try natin i-command. Alexa, turn on screen.
Okay.
Alright, let's try it out. Alexa, it's movie time. Totally works.
Okay.